Hey friends, welcome back. My name's Jane Sarche and I write recipes for a living. This is Myrtle, my campervan, and together we aim to deliver you guys with very tasty one-pot camping recipes on a weekly basis. Do feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like the sound of that. And today we are getting hot and spicy. We are doing spicy chicken noodles. Dead easy, hardly any ingredients, but tastes out of this world. So we need to start with a hot pan. I'm kind of thinking that you're not really able to see what's going on. You're all over there today. Oh, have you seen this? This is how I move my camera around. Oh no, it's okay, but you've got rather a lot of driver's seat. I hope that's okay. It's a really tatty driver's seat. The heat is on. The heat is on. Oh, funny, I went to my school reunion at the weekend. God, I got hammered. And the disco was pure 80s cheese. It was amazing. Oh my goodness. If you'd have asked me beforehand, I would have gone, oh no, I don't like 80s music. Oh my God. With a few glasses of wine in me, it appears that I do still like music from the 80s. I boogied. It was good fun. Right, so a dollop of oil, maybe a tablespoon or just under. God, it's smelling yummy already and I haven't even cooked anything yet. So in here we have 4 cloves of garlic, because you all know I like to keep the vampires at bay. And I've also got about an inch and a half of fresh ginger that I have grated. Okay, that's starting to colour, so that's plenty. Now I'm going to add in a chilli, and at this point you can actually like really affect your breathing. If you've got any asthmatics on board, like put the chilies in after you've put the chicken in. But I just wanted to give them 30 seconds. Then my chicken breast is going in. Now this is enough food for 2 people. It's only 1 chicken breast. If you've got 2, if you want to add more, that's fine. But 1 chicken breast between 2 people is plenty. Just let that sit so that it turns golden underneath. This is probably going to be one of the quickest recipes on my site. I think it's really fast. Regular viewers will know that I love my Asian flavours. I travelled a lot in my 20s and I spent quite a bit of time in Asia. And there's just something about those clean, sharp blends of flavours that just my taste buds love. So if you're new to cooking this style of food, then please give it a go. Ginger, garlic, chilli, soy sauce. If you've got a little bit of fish sauce, you can put a drop of that in too. So that's it. Make sure every piece of chicken is turned over. We don't want any food poisoning. Thank you very much. Not wearing Vans, can you imagine? Oh, chili's getting me. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit and just add a little bit of soy sauce. Now I am a little bit of a soy sauce snob. My favourite cuisine in the world is Japanese. I absolutely love sushi and sashimi, my favourite food. And I am a little bit of a snob when it comes to soy sauce. This is not promoted by Kikkoman at all. I just want to let you know that this, if you're never sure what soy sauce to buy, then Kikkoman is, as far as I'm concerned, it's one of the best you can get in the UK. I'm having trouble breathing because of the chili cooking. Next time you're in the supermarket, have a little bit of a read of the back of the bottle of the soy sauce that you normally buy. You'll probably find it's full of caramel colourings and so-and-so flavourings. That's not what soy sauce is. Soy sauce is fermented soybeans. That is very, very salty, obviously, but it's naturally brewed and it takes a long time to make a decent soy sauce. So the ingredients in the Kikkoman one is literally water, soybeans, wheat and salt. That's it. So my advice, and Kikkoman, if you want to sponsor this video, just get in touch. That's fine by me. Noodles going in. These are ready cooked noodles. They take 2 to 3 minutes in. Oh, and they've quietened things down a little bit too. That's always handy. So we're just going to stir them in. If I'd have brought the lid, I'd have popped that on right about now. Get some bowls out. So I imagine that's taken like maybe 4 minutes so far, maybe 5. It's going to give it a splash more. Obviously soy sauce is very salty. I am quite addicted to it though, but please taste as you go. If you're gluten-free or celiac and you can't have regular soy sauce, Kikkoman also do a gluten-free version, or you can get tamari, which is quite similar to soy sauce. Personally, I don't like it quite as much, but to be honest, if I wasn't allowed soy sauce, I would put up with tamari. Now these chilies are my homegrown ones. If you've been watching a few of my videos, you'll know that the chili up here that I dried myself is one of the hottest chilies I've ever tried. So I'm a little bit nervous. This is the first one I've tried off this plant this year, so a little bit nervous about its heat levels, but I'm sure they'll be very tasty. Right, let's see if these are cooked. Right, there we are, lovelies. Dinner is served. Let's whack that gas off, get this plated up. Oodles of noodles! These are fresh egg noodles that I got from the supermarket, but any of the fresh pasta will work really, really well for this. So don't worry if you can't find egg noodles. And pop the chicken on top. It's slippery little suckers. Get those nice little crispy bits out. And there we are, lovelies. One of the quickest recipes on my whole channel, I think. Do let me know below if you give this one a go and if you like it. Remember that you can vary the heat levels depending on how much chili you use. You can also use this with dried chili too, so don't think you have to go out of your way to get fresh. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this fast and furious recipe. Do whack the thumbs up if you did, and I will catch up with you all next week. If you're out and about, have a great weekend, and as always, happy camping.